Good afternoon to everyone. Today's session is about mindfulness, presented by B.Sowmiya, Assistant Professor, Department of Mental Health Nursing, E.S College of Nursing. Now we are going to see about mindfulness. It is a practice of being presently and fully engaged in the current moment while cultivating a non-judgmental awareness of your thoughts, feelings and bodily sensations, which means mindfulness is you should be fully aware of whatever you are doing. That is what is mindfulness. So why we are speaking about mindfulness, why it is essential, we will be seeing it now. It will reduce our stress level and anxiety level. It will improve our focus and concentration, memory in the things. When we are practicing mindfulness for a longer period of time, all this will be increased. Like your memory will be good, you will be focused, you will be very much concentrated towards your work, your education, everything. And it will help to improve your emotion also. Emotional regulation will be enhanced. And then it will boost up your overall well-being. All these are some of the benefits of mindfulness. Next, we can move on to the mindfulness techniques. What are the techniques? Meditation, deep breathing, body scan and walking meditation. What is meditation first of all? We are fully engaged and focused in one thing and doing meditation. That is what. Then deep breathing. We are fully aware in how we are taking in inspiration and leaving out expiration. Everything we are fully aware. That is what is deep breathing. It will help you to relax. Next one is body scan. What is body scan? How we will do that? We can sit in a comfortable position in a floor and we can make comfort in the place wherever we are sitting. First we should close our eyes and we should focus on our breath, like how you are inspiring and how you are expiring, that you should focus. Next, you should be aware of your specific parts in your body. Spend 20 to 60 seconds in notifying your sensation. What is your sensation? Like how a touching sensation is there, how you are breathing, how you are smelling, everything. And then taste, everything. That is what is the sensation, isn't it? Everything you can spend for 20 to 60 seconds. And then imagine the tension is decreasing in your body when you are fully aware of whatever you are doing with each breath. Then release your focus on that part. Then move on to the next part. Likewise for each and every part you should do. If your thoughts wanders here and there, it's okay. Because in initial thing, whenever we are practicing something initially, there will be wandering of thought. That is normal. No problem regarding that. Next, you can make your thought to come to a streamline when days are moving on and on. If your thoughts are wandering, you can leave it. Gently bring your awareness to the back, what you are doing. Then after several scans, what is several scans? One by one part of the body you are completing. That is what is several scans. Let your awareness travel across your whole body from head to foot. Then release your focus and come back to your surroundings. You will be very stress free after completing. That is not like in a first setting itself everything will be okay. When you are practicing it daily, some changes will be taking place. You will be happy, relaxed, in a better way you will be feeling. That is what is mindfulness technique. Then you should not tell me that like 2 days we practice, nothing is more in that. Anything whatever we are practicing now, it should be done for around 45 days. It should made into a routine of your life. Then only some changes will be coming. Next one, how mindfulness is engaged, or it is an aspect in our day-to-day life, daily life. Eating mindfully. Then Practicing mindfulness in relationship. Mindful communication. What is mindful? Mindful I'm talking about means you should be fully aware. Whatever you are doing at present, in that full engagement of yourself is needed. That is what is said to be as mindfulness. For example, if you are eating, you should think, okay, I'm eating a roti. How I'm eating the roti? Like when you're putting it in your mouth as a solid, until it is coming into a liquid, you should chew it. That mindful you should be. Because I heard a story like how you can be healthy or you can tune up your mind. Like when you're putting a solid chapati into your mouth and you are chewing that till when it is liquid now, your brain will be satisfied. If you're eating even 2 rotis, it is enough. Your tummy will be full. So it is a good weight reduction technique also now. So eating mindfully is very much essential. And practicing mindfulness in relationship. What is a way of practicing mindfulness in an essential way, in a better way means, when you're talking with your relationship, you should have a full listening skill. A listening skill is very much essential. If you're listening in a better way, what will be happening? They will be happy that the whatever I'm telling, my wife is listening or my husband is listening. So your relationship will be effective. Quality time if you're spending with them, it will be very good, isn't it? Then mindful communication. If the sender and the receiver are doing it in a proper way with full awareness, the communication will also be good. How to practice mindfulness in daily life? There are 8 quick easy ways. Let me tell. First, concentrate on your breath. Like I told already, isn't it? Deep breathing. Inspiring and expiring. Observe the sensations of your body. Don't expect anything to happen. Don't judge anything. You should be non-judgmental with your feelings. Don't react for anything. It's okay to have some thoughts in the initial way. Then it will be move on. And then start loving yourself. Self-love is very much essential. Set a timer for this mindfulness. Next, mindfulness and emotional regulations. When to be anger, when to be sad, that is what is emotional regulation, isn't it? You should understand your emotions, because every time you can't be happy, isn't it? Every time you can't be sad. Managing emotions is quite difficult only, but you can recognize them. You can label them when to be happy or sad. You should accept your emotions. You should breathe through it. Respond to it. Recognizing the emotional triggers. Who is irritating you and who is making you happy. Recognize them. Acknowledge them. And then manage the emotions with mindfulness. So, it is an easy way to regulate your emotions. Next, mindfulness and focus. If you are focusing on your things, whatever you are doing daily, every moment, in the present, full focus is there. Think of, like everything will be going in a good way. So, it will improve your attention, concentration in a good way. Next, mind wandering will be reduced if you are doing mindfulness. And it will enhance your productivity. Whatever work we are doing, our productivity will be good if we are focusing in an effective way. So, how far we can focus in an effective way? Like, we should be fully aware of whatever we are doing. So, it will increase our concentration, team engagement will be increased, emotional control will be increased, and it will improve your decision making skill. And the stress will be low. Next, mindfulness and self-awareness. Already I told what is mindfulness. So, when it is combined with self-awareness, you should know about yourself. You should be aware of what you are, who you are, why are you doing this, why you should not do this, which is good for you, which is bad for you. That you should know, isn't it? So, understanding your thoughts and thought pattern will be done if you are doing mindfulness in a proper way. And you should recognize your self-talk, and you should see why it is happening and it will be reduced. You should cultivate self-compassion. So if you're doing this all in a proper way, you will be paying more attention, listening skill will be increased, and then you will be very much focused to the present and non-judgmental. That is an important skill of each and every individual, because we are going somewhere. Pre-judgment is there, means we will not listen to the person who is gonna talk to us, isn't it? So mindfulness and self-awareness, a good combo. Next, mindfulness and relationship. In this, we have 5 pillars. What are they? We should be open, curiosity, patience, compassion, understanding. All these are very much essential in relationship. If you are practicing mindfulness, we will be doing all this in a prompt way. Practicing empathy and understanding. What is empathy? Understanding others' problem and going through that. That is what is empathy, isn't it? It will improve our communication. It will build our relationship more stronger than the before. And then what we will be doing with mindfulness in workplace, when there is a huge work or a double working hours or increased burden, we will be obviously stressed and burned out, isn't it? If you are practicing mindfulness in workplace, it will reduce that, definitely. Proper focus. So mindfulness, when you are doing mindfulness, you will be focused nicely, isn't it? So it will improve your focus, productivity will be increased. So all this are done properly means the work will be completed in a shorter period of time, and creativity and innovation will be enhanced. All this will be done when you are practicing mindfulness in workplace. There are 7 benefits if we are practicing mindfulness in workplace. It will increase your focus, decrease the burnout, decrease the conflict, increase the helpfulness, improve the communication, increases the emotional intelligence, improve your physical health also. Because when you're practicing mindfulness in your workplace, the work will be completed in a prior time, that is before time, so that you can focus on yourself more. Next, mindfulness and sleep. So sleep is very much essential. A circadian rhythm, regarding that we will be having a sleep, isn't it? So sleep is very essential for us. In that case, mindfulness and sleep, what is the combination between that? Means if you are practicing mindfulness and if you are focused towards your job and you are very much aware about your things, what you are doing in the present, it will improve your quality of sleep. It will reduce the sleep disturbances, that is insomnia. It will enhance your relaxation. You will be very much relaxed. Next, how you will be getting started with mindfulness. You should have some mindfulness resources, how to practice it. Starting to practice is a good idea and you can overcome the challenges. So I have some 10 tips to follow this. First one is, create a quiet space in the classroom. Pay attention with purpose and curiosity. Use guided meditation daily. And then, what is guided meditation? You should close your eyes, do meditation in the same way. You should think about that which is very much liked by you. Guided images you can think. So, you can meditate happily. Then, offer caring wishes for your colleagues and the family members. Practice gratitude. Thank the person who has made you happy, who has made you to learn, who has educated you. For them, you should feel gratitude. You should define it. Be patient. You should be a role model for everyone. You should transfer your wishes or whatever to the others. You should be a model for everyone. These are some of the things which you can practice when you are in the classroom. So the final conclusion about mindfulness is, it is a powerful tool to improve ourselves, our well-being, and regular practice can lead to lasting benefits also. That's what I told now. Anything we are practicing, it should be practiced for 45 days or else for 90 days. It will become into a routine practice. So definitely you will see the benefits of that. Encouragement to continue, explore the mindset. It will encourage you to prolong it also. Thank you.